Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to export photos to gallery from Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. When you open Snapchat, you will see this kind of interface. So here if you click some photo or if you record some video, then it will show up like this. So for now I'm recording video. Now to export is simply tap on download icon on left bottom corner. So your video is saved on your Snapchat. Now tap on cross icon. Tap on abandon. Now you can see gallery icon on bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now you can see a video that you just recorded. Now in order to download it to your gallery, tap on three dot on topmost. So here it is, tap on it. And now tap on export or send snap. Here swipe left and now you'll get the option to download. Tap on it. So you have successfully downloaded photos or videos on your gallery. Go to your gallery and check. So you can see this is the video that we downloaded. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. And now you get